Hello everyone, welcome to part 7 of this Oblivion 2017 Ultimate Graphics tutorial. And in this part 7 we're going to handle weather and immersion. So when we go to the Bevi Lex page and we open up the section weather and immersion, we will see the first mod, and that is all natural. So let's go to all natural, click on files, and let's see. I think we only need to have the main version. Let's see what Bevi Lex says to that. Yeah, the main version, and we need to install it with a wizard, and then we need to replace his ini file as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to our mods section, and as you can see, I did create number 7 folder number 7 weather and immersion, and I did download as well weather all natural. So once you also did download all natural, go to Rybash, go to the installers tab, as you can see here. Then let's see, yeah, okay, then open up the mods section and drag and drop weather all natural here, and then you can right click, and again with this icon you can see that it comes with a wizard, so right click on it and select wizards, and then you will have options. Okay, let me check the full option. The full version was recommended. Yeah, all features. Alright, so we're going for all features. Click on next. Do you want to use Shivering Isle support? Yes. Do you want to use additional weathers for Shivering Isles? Pick yes if you're not sure. Yes. Do you want to use the batch filter patch for other mod support? Let's see, indoor weather to any of the mods supported in the filter patch. Be sure to rebuild your... okay, yeah, sure. Please select which weathers you wish to use. All natural will always use the default weathers, but if you pick all the options if you want the maximum amount of weather diversity. Yeah, sure, we want that. Click on next. With tinting, yeah, it's pretty much your choice. I'm just going to with the default choice. The fog, let's see, I would go for closer like redback fog mod, and that's because sometimes the very distant landscape doesn't look natural if you can see all the way, like this option twice as far, and with the fog it's very subtle but very good, so I'm going to pick that. Pick default nights, but Bevi Lex, his ini file is going to override that anyway. I'm going to leave this in default, and okay, then we can apply these selections, and then click on finish. Alright, and meanwhile we can go to our mods page, and let's see, we can go back to the main folder because we do have the various ini files here, and let's see, it's located in your Oblivion data ini. So we want to grab our Oblivion game folder with that as well. So go to Oblivion data ini. As you can see, the all natural.ini has been put in your Oblivion main game folder. And open up the various ini files from the Bevi Lex page. And if you don't have it anymore, you can again download it from the files section on the Bevi Lex mod list itself. Then scroll down and files, and there you will find the pack with all its ini files. But for here, open up various ini files, open up this folder, and as you can see, here is the all natural ini file, and that comes with data ini, I think. Yeah, here it is. And drag and drop all natural.ini here, and of course overwrite the previous all natural.ini. Now what is very important, and Bevi Lex now also says this in the description, his night level is freaking dark. It's pitch black, and that was always the problem with EMBs, but for some reason Bevi Lex wants this on purpose. No idea why. Maybe he wants to use light spells or whatever, but I strongly suggest you set it to vanilla brightness or a little bit darker, but I would start with the basic, the default the default darkness. So we want to change something in that ini file. So open up all natural.ini, and then you want to search for this line. Let's see where it is. Let's see, envar. Yeah, let's just copy paste it. Why not? Let's be lazy. So search for this line, and make sure you set it to 1.00. So 1.00. And if you find it too bright, you can always lower it and play a little bit with the value. So save this all natural at ini file now. Alright, and that's pretty much it for all natural. Then open up the next mod, which is Atmospheres Hell. So let's open it up, and then go to Files, and let's see what the description says. Install only the optional files Atmospheres for Hell and Night Sky. This file contains retextures for Oblivion and Cyrodiil's Night Sky. Okay, great. So we only want from the optional files Atmospheres for Hell. Let's see what I have. Actually, I don't remember. Whether in immersion, I do have Atmospheres for Hell, the regular version, not the 2K, the regular version, it seems. And I do have the and Night Sky. Okay, let's see. Did I add that? Atmospheres for Hell and Night Sky. Yeah, okay. So download Atmospheres for Hell and download Night Sky, and then just install the mods in that order as well. So let's drag and drop Atmospheres for Hell and drag and drop Night Sky. Right click on it, click on install. Do the same for Night Sky, right click on it and install. Alright, great. Okay, then the next mod is Downpour. So let's open it up. Download the main file and drop it in installer. Select one of the sub packages. Okay. Downpour is the rain. So click on files, download the main version. Then we again can drag and drop the mod in our installers tab. Let's drag and drop the correct one, Downpour. Right click on it, click on install. And there are two options after that. Let's see. Yeah, you have to maximize Rybash in order to see it, and you can either choose large or small drops. And I select. That's a good one. I'm going for the large pouring drops. All right, and that was it, I guess. Yeah, sub package large or small, and then install it. Okay, maybe I'm not really sure if I did do that. If you need to do this first, so let's uninstall it, select large, and then right click on it and click on install again. All right, just to be sure everything works with that. Then we have falling stars and we have falling leaves. All right, falling stars is just one file. Falling leaves has actually multiple files. I think we want the Nexus Mod Manager and manual install manually. Okay, no, sorry, we need to pick the Bane one and install the Bane one with Rybash. So download the Bane version. Then let's open up Rybash and let's see. Falling stars can go first. Right click on it and click on install. And then the falling leaves, the let's see, it seems I don't have the Bane version. Okay. Okay, then that means I need to install this as well, download and install it as well. So let me download this falling leaves mod. And let's just, in that case, delete the for this version 06, and that means I need to put 06 in front of it in order to make sure my installation order is correct. Okay, and then I can paste it, sorted by name, and that means now my installation order is correct. So falling leaves, the Bane version, that's what I want. Drag and drop it into Rybash, right click on it and click on install. Great. Alright, that was the falling leaves mod. Then we have this Q Quicks, rock your ship, realistic aurora and motion, and high quality snowflakes. Great. Let's see, I think the latest version, I can double check that for you. Version 3.03. Yeah, download the latest version. Realistic aurora and motion. Click on files. download this one, the latest version, update 1. Let's see if that's correct. Yeah, update 1 and high quality snowflakes. Yeah, that's just the main file. So very easy installation of those 3 mods. QQuick's Rocker Ship. Right click on it, install. Do the same for Aurora Immersion update 1. And do the same for high quality snowflakes. Alright. Okay, then we can close all of these mods again. And let's see, then we have Smoke and Dust, Improved Moons, and then let's first do these 2 mods. Smoke and Dust, download this as the main file, then download the patch for the missing texture afterwards. And then from Improved Moons, download the main version only, I think. Let me double check that for you. Smoke and Dust patch and Improved Moons. Yeah, only the main file. So, alright, then go to Rybash. And let's see, then Smoke and Dust, the main file, we can drag and drop. We can drag and drop the patch for it, and we can drag and drop Improved Moons. So right click on the main file for Smoke and Dust, install the main file for patch for missing texture for Smoke and Dust, and install the Improved Moons. Alright, then we have a great mod now, Immersive Interiors, and that pretty much means that we can now see through windows with this mod, and we're going to test it afterwards. We're going to visit the city and see if it works. And let's see, go to Files, download the main version, and then we also have some add-ons for the Imperial City, for Bravo and Leeuwin, and for the landscape. So Immersive Interiors, download the main version, then download the Imperial City version, then download the expansion also for Bravo and Leeuwin, and download the expansion for landscape. Let's see how my files will look after this. So I have Immersive Interiors, I do have Imperial City add-on, the Bravo, Leeuwin, New Sheath, and I do have the add-on for the landscape. Yeah, that looks okay. So I'm going to drag and drop this as well in this order. Alright. Right click on it, install Immersive Interiors, and do the same for the expansions, of course. Okay, let's wait for it. So then the last 2 expansions for Immersive Interiors. Alright, fantastic. Then we have a few mods left. Let's close all these Immersive Interiors mods. And the last 2 mods for this tutorial are this tutorial part, Lights of Oblivion, Real Lanterns, and we also have animated Windows Lighting System. Alright, so this will allow you to pick other types of lanterns. And let's see, I thought I had a fantasy mesh. I thought that looked very nice. Yeah, I have the fantasy mesh, but it pretty much depends on your choice, what you like. So I did download this one. Sorry, and for the animated window lighting system and chimneys, I think only the main file. Let me double check that for you. Yeah, version 5.5.4. So you only need to download this version, and we need to install it with the wizard, it seems. This mod looks nice with the Darker Nights of All Natural. Important, change the install order of ships. Move it below animated window lighting system. Alright. For that, uninstall ships from and drag and drop it below. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let me check how this works. Let's just first install the Lights of Oblivion, the lanterns. Alright, right click on it and click on install. Then I'm going to check this out. One moment. Okay, yeah, I figured out what to do. First in Rybash, just drag and drop the, let's see, weather and immersion, the animated window lighting system at the bottom. Alright, then use the wizards. Right click on it and select wizards. Okay, yeah, just I'm going to leave this on advanced smoking chimneys and click on next. Do you want to use really almost everything visible when viewable when distant? No, I'm not going to pick that. You can install that mod later on, but I don't want to do that. Do you want to pick your windows individually for every? No, thanks. Do you use Called Texture Pack 3? Yes, we do. Pick a complete texture pack option. Orange with curtains. Brighter yellow or duller yellow. Yeah, I'm going for the orange as well. Click on next. Let's see, for the churches, for the cathedrals. Let's see, what do I like? I'm just going to for the recommended version as well. Purple, orange, red. I think I'm going for orange. Click on next. Pool. I'm going for the bright yellow. Do you use Bum Rats? Yeah, we're using Bum Rats texture pack for Shivering Isles. Yes. Okay, we're going to for next. Palace option. Dual nature recommended. Okay. Blue purple recommended. Okay, I'm going for the recommended stuff. Apply these selections. Okay. Let's wait for it until it's finished. Okay, now what we need to do is, maybe you remember we installed a mod from the section architecture and all, and that's ships from Cathead 74, and we need to find that mod, and I think it's somewhere here. Yeah, it's this one. We need to right click on it. We want to uninstall it. Alright, then hurry up, will you? Okay, let's wait then. Alright, once it finally uninstalled, drag and drop it all the way down. So it can be placed right under animated window lighting system. And then you need to right click on it and reinstall it again. And let's see if it takes as long as it took to uninstall. No, okay. Let's see if there are any advanced options for this one. I thought not. Alright. Then I thought, yeah, that was the last mod. So let's see. We're going to grab our little checklist again. Let's grab Rybash with it again. Install it in the installers tabs. We did. Check the ESP in the mods tab. Okay, we have a lot of new ESPs here. All natural with all the ESPs. Let's see, why is this red? Oh, do not activate. Alright. This patch is meant to be used only with Rybash. Okay, so let's then do that then. Activate the other ones. Everything from Immersive Interiors and all. Great. Okay, so don't activate this one. And what we can do is run bus to sort or load order. Pick your Oblivion installation. I'll let bus do its job. Sorting plugins. Alright, and then we can right click on the bashed patch and rebuild the bashed patch, and we have some mods now, of course, which needs to be activated first, deactivated first, and then click on build patch, and let's wait for Rybash to rebuild its bashed patch. Wow. The S is hard for me in English, so let's wait for it. Alright, once it finished rebuilding, make sure you reactivate the deactivated mods, the deactivated plugins. Oh, whoops, I accidentally did disable those mods. Grass overhaul, what's wrong with it? Crap, I don't know what I did wrong. Let's see, let's just, sorry, I need to rebuild everything. I thought we needed to disable this, I'm not really sure, but anyway, you should not have, oh, I accidentally unchecked bash patch, it seems, or not. I'm going to rebuild my bashed patch again, and yeah, let's see. I'll do that first. And before I mess anything up very bad. Yeah, okay, that's pretty much it. What you have done is okay. I'm going to fix my load order, it seems, and then afterwards I see you guys in game. Never mind. I already I forgot, but grass overhaul ESP of course needed to be deactivated. So I'm going to do the same again. I'm going to only activate Lush and Gaudy, FG, the Harvest, Flora mods, and the DLC unofficial patch. And was there anything else? No, that was it, right? No, okay, so we're good to now finally start up our Oblivion and see and test some things, and especially in the city if Immersive Interiors works. So start your Oblivion and then I'll see you guys in game.
I'm listening.
Alright, so welcome in game. Yeah, I arrived in Coral, and as you can see we have cloudy weather here. And if I go inside this shop or that shop, let me check. I should be able to watch the same weather outside, so I shouldn't have rainy weather or something outside, but just boring gray weather. Yeah, and as you can see we're able to watch outside, so that's good. And that means Immersive Interiors work now. And yeah, as you can see it all works. I actually got an weather transition from gray weather to sunny weather. Let's see, it's yeah, right in the afternoon. So that works. Immersive Interiors work. Let's double check it here in this shop. Or did I come from here? I don't even remember. As you can see here, it looks good. If you would role play your character and just you know, grab a drink, you can just look outside of a store or a building, and that's really nice. Immersive Interiors definitely is one of the most immersive mods there is.
Anytime.
So yeah, okay, that was it for this part. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys at the next part. Take care and bye bye.